To another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a unboxing, and of course I wanted to share with you all. So if you're here to see what I have in this here box, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to keep on watching my setup, because y'all, when I tell you it's hot, I am ready to take my clothes off and lay down and relax. But I wanted to play with my bag, and I like to do a true unboxing. So I was like, you know what, let me pull myself together and go ahead and do this here unboxing so I can play with the bag. Because if y'all didn't know, I purchased 2 YSL bags. This is the second one that came today. I'm here and unbox the bag so I can decide between the two which one I'm gonna end up keeping. Laser ship. I did order this from Nordstrom. I just wanted to let y'all know. And so it did come with the box. A lot of videos, and a few people stated that when you purchase from Nordstrom, you don't get a box. But as you can see, your girl got a box. Out there, and what is this? Thanks for shopping with us, blah, blah, blah. So it is a little damaged and wet. I don't know what that all about. So hopefully the box is good to go. This is just my receipt. Yeah, the receipt is wet too. Okay, y'all, we're gonna have to double check this bag. Laurent box. That beautiful black box. It reminds you of a cute little shoe box. Which video gonna go up first? The one that came from Saks, it didn't come with a box, came with the dust bag. But I was okay with that, because the dust bag is also a good way to secure your bag too. So here's the bag. Guess the bag. I did have it in that picture, so it is in that picture that I posted on my community tab. So peeking in the dust bag lets me know that everything is everything. So here's the dust bag, in case you wanted to see up close. Give me good, y'all, because I just didn't feel like pulling out all that filming equipment. So your girl got herself the Boy Lulu. What is this? Hold on, y'all, let me get it correct. Boy Lulu. I think this but it's the toy Lulu bag. And if y'all didn't know, I wanted this in the small size, but honestly between the two of them I could have got the small, but I don't know. But yeah, so yeah, you all, here's the beautiful bag. My dilemma is I want to decide on camera. I'm gonna just do a second video revealing the bag I ended up keeping, because like I said, I have to play with the bag behind the scenes. I have to wear, have to put my stuff in, I have to try it on, I have to do a lot of things in order for me to decide which bag I want to keep. Lovers, y'all know. So yeah, here's the bag. Oh, cute. The only bag was half chain and half leather. That's the only thing. Now I did order a gold chain off of Amazon, so that do come tomorrow. So what I may do is just take some video of how the chain looks on the bag and just pop it up in this here video, or I may just show you what it looks like on the bag and just add it all together. So I may do that tomorrow. Difference with the this YSL bag, the strap is not detachable, because as you can see, the bag doesn't have the straps attached. Because if you don't know about this bag, you might be like, okay, Miss Tamika, where's the straps? The straps are inside of the bag. And the reason why I see a lot of people pick this bag over the camera bag is because this bag you can use multiple ways. Like you can use it as a clutch, as a crossbody. You can buy, you know, you can get an extra chain strap, make it a shoulder bag, or as a wristlet. Like you can wear it multiple ways. So I do understand why people pick this bag over that bag. Now that bag do look like it may hold a lot more, will hold my main essentials, because like with this bag I can add more. This one I just want to make sure it adds everything. This is why off camera I'm gonna go ahead and decide which one I'm going to keep. So it's so cute, you all. So here's the inside of the bag, and here is the lovely strap. Like I said, it's just an all leather strap. It's nothing fancy. You have some inside pockets for cards. Yeah, I don't really use the card slot, so And whatever bag I decide to keep, I am thinking about purchasing the YSL card case to go along with one of the bags I end up keeping. Here is the back part of the bag. Let me pull this out. Get a full zipper, and if you can see, the zipper is gold. And let's see what can you fit in that zipper. Let me see how the pocket look. So inside of that zipper, you get your Saint Laurent card. Again, I don't need to open it because I already opened it on my first bag. Okay, so the bag I've been carrying lately has been my Longchamp bag because it's more of a carefree, you don't have to worry about anything type of bag. So this is what I've been carrying lately. For part 2 on this here particular bag, but I just wanted to show you really quick what I would carry inside of this here bag. Here back pocket, I can fit my AirPods. Now the only thing about putting my AirPods back here, it do poke out a little bit, so depending on what I put back here, it may cause it to like stick out some and cause this area to be a little tight or whatever, so to take that in consideration. Now this bag is a gorgeous bag. Now I'm done without this middle part, like this divider or whatever, like move this and just had this one open bag. I can see this bag holding a lot more, but by this here divider in the middle is going to limit what you are able to place in this here bag. AirPods out, because like I said, it's just making the back part a lot bulky for me to put something in the back part. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so let's see if that fits here in the back. It do fit in the back, and see already I'm not sure how much this bag is going to hold, because this bag is so cute, but I don't think it's going to be able to hold my essentials, you all. Because after putting these keys in, I think that's going to be it. So here's my key, my card, my keys in my car, keys and my card case. And yeah, already it's taking up all the room in the bag. Oh, y'all, what to do? Full. Let me see. I did see people stand up the card case. I guess you can stand your card case up like this. I don't know, y'all. And see, I didn't even get everything out that I would carry because I still will want to add my lip balm, face mask, my lotion and gum. What I'm saying, it's just so hard to decide. I do love this bag a whole lot, so I'm gonna figure something out, because this one do hold everything that I need. So I don't know, y'all. It's me so much. It's not the same shape. It's a totally different shape, but it do remind me of my Gucci Mormount, and I feel like this is totally different from my Gucci Mormount. So you know, this bag, but I like this one better. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to see what I can do. If not, I'm going to have to return it, because like I said, I'm not going to sit here and sacrifice my stuff. I know I have to downsize, but I didn't expect to downsize that much, if y'all get what I'm saying. I'm going to have to turn the camera off and figure something out, because I already downsized to one key holder, because you know I stopped using my Gucci key pouch. That's why I wish the Gucci key pouch had a slot for cards, because that one is a lot smaller. Gucci card case, the yellow one, I could transfer all my cards inside of there and use that until I decide if I'm going to purchase the YSL card case. Because if I end up returning both of the bags, I don't think I'm gonna purchase the YSL card case. Just wait and just get the smaller bag. But I just didn't want to, even though I don't know, I don't know what to do. Help. Did this have to have, if it didn't have this middle part in here, it has so much more room. My cell phone, and I want to have a place to put my cell phone. Like I'm not that person that always carry my phone. Like I want to be able to throw it in my bag and go. Can't fit my vlogging camera in here, like that's a no. But I'm not too worried about that, because I don't vlog all the time. And if for whatever reason I want to vlog on my camera, I'll just you know, give it to my daughter, because she has a Longchamp backpack. Or I would just use my cell phone if it's like one of those moments that it's like I didn't bring a camera. I'll just use my cell phone. So I'm not too much tripping on that. I just want this to be able to fit my essentials. Now it's not fitting my essentials. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But this is why I wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing, so I can go behind the scenes and, you know, play with this a little more. Strap. And if I didn't mention, this hair strap is adjustable. It is an adjustable strap. Is attach it like so. I'll show you how it looks on my body really quick. You have this little tab where you can tuck the strap in, which I'm grateful for, because bags that don't have that, a while this strap will start flipping up and it'll just start looking crazy. So here's the bag, crossbody. Like I said, it's a really cute size and a good everyday type of bag. Like I said, it's a bag that I don't have to worry about. The way you switch this here strap, like I said, this can turn into a wristlet. I don't think I would use this as a wristlet, but I can see myself using it as a evening clutch. Like say if I'm going out to dinner or something, I can just throw this, like, you know, put this under my arm and go. But if that gold strap from Amazon turns out to be a good length, I can use that days when I want to carry the bag as a shoulder bag. Now hopefully the gold don't clash too much. The YSL is gold. It's like a brass gold. I didn't want silver. I don't know. I used to wear silver, but now I'm gold. Now I do switch out to silver sometimes, but I like my bags to have gold hardware. I don't know. It just look, I don't know. I just like the gold hardware. Well, I love the bag, but I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to make this hair bag work. Had trouble with the first YSL. I know they are small bags, but I don't know. Like that Gucci Mount I have, it holds my essentials. So, you know, but I really like small bags, so I was just looking to invest. And then I like the way this feels, because it reminds me of my Gucci Mount. So like I said, these bags are not cheap. So I just want to make sure I can figure something out where I don't have to downsize too much, because inside of the bag, I don't even think I have room for my AirPods, and I can't leave without my AirPods, because this is what I use to talk on the phone. I don't know. And I need all my keys, like, because I don't even have a lot of keys. Like, I need my house key, my car key, and my mailbox key. I may have to switch out on my wallet. It managed to put everything in the inside. Let's see if it closed. Okay, so it did close with everything inside, but the only thing is on the side you can see my card case is like sticking up, and I don't like that, because I'm sure within time it's going to probably show wear in the inside of this here leather, because if you didn't know, it's real soft and squishy, meaning that it may show creasing like that Gucci Mount. Yay everyone, that was my unboxing. I wanted to go ahead and do this here unboxing really quick so I can, like I said, go behind the scenes and play with this here bag. New things is happening in my life, so I may be busy for a while, but I will try and make sure I upload at least once a week. I said, please bear with me, be changed in my life, so I'm trying to figure out things so I can continue to film videos, because I don't want to stop doing YouTube. I'm trying to figure things out and still have time to come home, edit videos, film videos, and things like so. This is why I didn't pull out everything, because I'm tired. This video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on my subscribe button and my notification bell so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads a video. And until next time, I will talk to you later.